In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a comment on a Confluence page. Whether you're giving quick feedback or asking a question, commenting in Confluence is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the full process, explain the difference between commenting on a specific piece of text and leaving a general page comment, and share a few tips to keep your message clear and actionable. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to comment. Make sure you're in the right space and looking at the correct page version so your feedback lands in the right place. Give the page a second to fully load so all commenting tools appear. Decide what kind of comment you want to leave. If your feedback is about a specific sentence or phrase, highlight that text. When you do, Confluence shows a small comment icon next to the selection, allowing you to attach your thoughts directly to that spot. If your feedback is more general, scroll to the bottom or the designated comments area on the page. That's where you can leave an overall comment that isn't tied to a single line. Click the comment option that appears. For highlighted text, select the comment icon that pops up beside your selection. For a general page comment, click inside the comment box in the comment section. You should now see a text field ready for your input. Type your comment clearly, be specific about what you're referring to and what you need. Brief context helps others understand your point without hunting around the page. Keep your tone constructive and avoid including any sensitive information. If it helps, break your thoughts into short sentences so they're easy to scan. If you need someone's attention, mention a teammate. Type the @ symbol, start entering their name, and choose the correct person from the list. This sends them a notification and makes it clear who you're addressing. Only tag people who truly need to be looped in to keep the thread focused. When your message looks good, click save or comment depending on the type of comment you're leaving. Inline comments typically use save, while general page comments use comment. Give it a moment to process. Finally, confirm that your comment appears on the page. Inline comments will show a marker near the highlighted text and open in the margin or sidebar. General comments appear in the comments section with your message and timestamp. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page to update the view. That's it. Quick, clear, and ready for collaboration.